Hey, on this. Did you know the Insta360 X6 August 12th is coming out? Look at the colors of the sky. As the sun is rising, just another colorful day. Every second, it changes the color. It just gets more pronounced. I'm wondering what day this house will be finished and completed. So we head down this block and we'll go down to the shore. Nice, large privacy. The bushes, the gates, beautiful front house. Yes, indeed. That's also another beautiful front of the house. Sometimes you just go down the blocks and you get to see how beautiful the houses are. And it's starting to work on the front, get the garden going. We haven't entered this way in such a long time. Man, I just love the weeds. Myrtle crepe. The sun hitting the clouds in the distance. Like I said, that morning sunrise is just a beauty. Yeah, those are my spots in the camera's image. Now that's what you call a beautiful cloud formation. As soon as the color starts to hit. How do you like that background? How beautiful it is as soon as the sun rises and the color gets it just right. You just want to sit there and take that moment in. Oh yeah, man. Oh, just beautiful. Now if I turn it around, the color goes from white to a red and almost reminds you in the desert. You gotta flip it around like a mirror image on that water. That's how nice and smooth it is today. Like I said, you got gorgeous cloud formation all over. You just don't want to miss the shot. Even over there, it's a picture perfect shot, man. And you're missing it this way. Over this side and a little over there, you got some smoke happening. Not sure what it is. And can't ask for anything better than this. The 8 o'clock sunset, gone. Could be an 8 o'clock one more time, but it'd be a 7:59. It's close enough to 8 o'clock because your watch is not set to what the news tells you or Facebook tells you. Summer's going. Enjoy it while you can. You're gonna want to make sure you have a fun time indeed. I'm gonna sit here just a little longer and head on back. You can kind of say that's the highlight of my talk for today, man. Oh yeah, man. It's pull up on the park bench and just enjoy. I'm gonna have a nice time. Spend a couple of minutes, take it all in. Woo, man. Look at that color come. The sun is hitting the boats and reflecting off the buildings in any second. I keep saying fish. You need to clean the handlebars. You cleaned the bike, but you didn't clean the helmet. Need to change things around a little. Oh yeah, man. Well, maybe I should take this off, I don't know. We'll see. Go for a ride. Those cloud formations are over. It was right there for you. Well, time to get on going.